Wait a second. You have two friends, Raj and Aman. Same salary, both 25 years old. Both save 5,000 rupees every month. 20 years later, Raj has around 12 lakh rupees. Aman has around 50 lakh rupees. Same amount saved, same time, a difference of 38 lakh. How? This entire video is about exactly that. And trust me, by the end of it, the way you look at money is going to change forever. Let's start simple. What is saving? You earned it, you didn't spend it, you kept the rest aside. A piggy bank at home, a savings account, a fixed deposit, all of that is saving. Saving has one job, keeping your money safe, like locking your bike so nobody steals it. Saving works the same way. The money just sits there, safe, but it barely grows. Bank savings accounts give you interest. How much? Around 3 to 4%. Fixed deposits give a bit more, 6 to 7%. Sounds nice, right? Great, my money is growing. But there's a hidden villain lurking here. Its name is inflation. Listen carefully. This part matters. The samosa that costs 15 rupees today cost 5 rupees 10 years ago. Same item, more money. That's inflation. Prices keep rising every year, and at the same rate, the value of your money keeps shrinking. In India, average inflation runs roughly 5 to 6% per year. Now let's do the math. Your FD gives you 6.5% return. Inflation eats up 6%. What's left? Just 0.5%. Meaning your money is growing in number. The figure on your bank statement looks bigger, but its actual power, its purchasing power, stays pretty much the same. Sometimes it even shrinks. Here's the key thing to understand. Saving keeps your money safe, but it doesn't grow it. It's a locker, not an engine. Now let's talk about investing. Investing means putting your money somewhere it works for you, somewhere it makes more money on its own. Mutual funds, stocks, retirement funds, real estate, gold, these are all investment options. Here's the difference. With saving, you put your money in a cupboard. With investing, you plant that same money like a seed in the ground. Give the seed time, sunlight, water, it grows into a tree. And then that tree produces more seeds on its own. In finance, this is called compounding. This is the part that put Aman 38 lakh ahead of Raj. Let's understand it with a simple example. You invested 1 lakh rupees at 12% annual return. After year 1, 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. Year 2, you don't just earn interest on 1 lakh anymore, you earn it on 1 lakh 12,440 rupees. Year 3, interest on that 1 lakh 12,440 rupees. And this chain keeps going. At first, the difference looks small, but after 10, 15, 20 years, that difference becomes big enough to blow your mind. That's why Einstein called compounding the 8th wonder of the world, because time is the biggest ingredient here. The earlier you start, the bigger the advantage, no matter how small the amount is. That's why investing 2,000 rupees a month at age 25 can be more powerful than investing 5,000 rupees a month starting at age 35, because time did more of the work. No, not at all. Don't get this wrong. Saving and investing aren't enemies. They're a team. Each has its own role. When saving is essential, building an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses, so if you lose your job or a medical emergency hits, you don't have to borrow from anyone. Short-term goals, like a trip planned 6 months from now, or buying a new phone. Never put this money in the stock market because markets go up and down. An emergency fund needs stability, not growth. When investing is essential, long-term goals, retirement, your kids' education, buying a house, when you won't need the money for the next 5, 10, 15 years. Simple formula to remember: save for the short term, invest for the long term. So, let's come back to Raj and Aman. Raj kept his money in the bank, it stayed safe, but he missed out on the benefit of compounding. Aman invested that same money, stayed patient, gave it time, and his money started working for him. The difference wasn't in intention, the difference was in the decision.
So the next time your salary comes in, don't just think, how much can I save? Think, how can I put this money to work? Saving keeps you safe, investing moves you forward. You need both, but each needs to be in its right place. If you like this video, share it with that friend who's still relying only on a savings account. See you in the next video. Until then, save your money and also make it earn.